Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Battery, then Battery Health and Charging. This view gives the raw maximum capacity percentage and charging behavior flags. You need the device on a stable charge and iOS updated because software changes affect how health is reported. Once you note maximum capacity, make sure to record peak performance capability and any degraded battery notices. These numbers are the baseline for calculations and decisions you'll make later in the process. You now perform a controlled discharge to compare reported capacity to actual runtime. Start at 100%, set brightness to about 50%, disable background app refresh if you want consistent data, and use a mix of browsing, video, and calls until roughly 10% remains. Then consult battery graph and screen time to split usage into segments. This lets you compute the percent drop per hour for each activity. Once done, you'll use those averages to estimate effective usable capacity. You finish by converting percentages into practical capacity. Take the iPhone's rated mAh, multiply by the maximum capacity percent shown, then adjust with your observed runtime ratio to estimate usable mAh. This reveals the real-world health beyond the percent number. If usable capacity is low, consider battery replacement or recalibration cycles. If readings look inconsistent, make sure to update iOS. Perform 1 or 2 full charge-discharge cycles and retry. That troubleshooting step fixes many transient reporting errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.